Garage coming at you on this rainy day here in Ohio. We're about to change the wiper blades on this GMC Sierra Z71. It's got 22-inch wiper blades in case you were wondering the size. It's not necessary to have your wipers straight up, but it made it easier for me because I'm short. Plus I had to grab a step stool. So we're gonna go ahead and get to it. So on these, it's pretty simple to get the old ones off. There's like a little button in here. I just use this to push down on it. And then you push down and push up on the wiper, and the whole wiper comes out. So that's how you take them out. We're gonna look at the new brand we got and see how we go ahead and put these new ones on. For replacement, we're going with these Bosch Icons. Like I said, they're 22 inches. Slide these out the package. Hopefully these have the same style of connector. We won't have to do anything special. Let's take a look at these. Pop this bad boy out of here. Most wipers come with additional connectors, just in case you have a different style each vehicle uses. So we'll see what this got in here. Alright, so our new Bosch one came with a couple different options. So this is the one that comes on it. So we're gonna have to swap it out because here's the one that came off the car. It says B, I'm not sure what brand this one was, but it looks like for ours to match up, we're probably gonna have to use, probably it's number 6. Looks to be about the closest to what's already on the old one. So we'll have to pop this off and swap it out for number 6. All right, for our installation, like I said, we're using number 6. And we should be able to just slide this in here and have it click in place. All right, so we got that bad boy pushed in. It didn't go in simply, but it did go in. As you see, it's in there. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other one, then we'll be all done. We'll test them out. All right, we got the new wiper blades in. Let's see how they clear the glass. Beautiful. Look at that, crystal clear. All right, that was it, y'all. Something simple. You can do this in your backyard. You can see this, what we're doing here. For more tips and tricks, follow us on Instagram at GMC Garage. Subscribe, share with your friends. Peace.